Looking for a shame when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop